Happy Self-Care Saturday. Hey. Happy Self-Care Saturday. Welcome in. Listen, even if you're coming in for a short period of time, say something in the comments, send me some hearts. We're doing a self-care kind of evening, ladies. This is juice. This is, what is this? Raspberry lemonade. But I said, why not put it in a little glass? Make it a little cutesy, cute. This is Self-Care Saturday. I'm actually cooking some dinner for myself. This is a seafood boil I got from Trader Joe's that I'm trying for the first time. But how everybody doing? Hopefully this is good. It looks good. It has corn on the cob, shrimp, clams, potatoes, sausage, tilapia in a spicy butter sauce. So hopefully that tastes good as it sounds. It's on the pot now. It comes in a bag, and you just put boiling water, put the bag in. Boil it for 22 to 24 minutes. Just jumping on, seeing how everyone is doing, seeing if you're loving on yourself, what you're doing for your self-care this Saturday. And to remember, self-care isn't always about, manicures, pedicures, getting our hair, and getting all the maintenance. I like to call that maintenance. When we get our nails and hair done, when we do facials and things like that, yes, it's to keep you looking your best, right? It's to keep you looking good, keep you looking fly. But that's maintenance. That's maintaining our temple. That's maintaining our look, right? But ladies, self-care is beyond that. Self-love, that's something totally different. But self-care is beyond just taking care of the maintenance, taking care of the weekly or the daily tasks of being who we are, right? Because we're all fabulous, we're all queens. Self-care is taking care of your inner self. What makes you happy? What makes you move? What makes you who you are? Bringing you joy, bringing you happiness, bringing you peace. Because baby, if we don't have peace in our lives, how can we love anyone, right? And so today I took some time, and my husband, my son, who is 21, my daughter, who is 22, and her fiance, we went to the movies, baby. And we had a good old time. We saw Smurfs. Okay, it's nostalgic. Me and my husband's like, let's just do it, right? And so we dragged the kids along with us, and we had a fabulous time. And it was just joyful. It was happiness. It was fun. It was more than just us going to the movies, but it was a time where we just loved on each other, laughed. When was the last time you just laughed, right? When was the last time you just let your hair down and didn't have to worry about anything? Just enjoy the moments. And that's what self-care is all about. Thank you for the hearts. That's what self-care is all about. It's about enjoying you, enjoying the moments, taking time for yourself. Hello, thanks so much for joining me. Taking time for yourself, doing something you enjoy doing. Taking your mind away from the 9 to 5, taking your mind away from the hustle and the bustle, and tending to your soul. How often do you attend to your soul? Do the things that just you don't have to worry about, right? And so I went to the movies, spent time with my family, a couple of hours, what have you, and just didn't worry about anything. It was a cute little storyline to it and everything, right? And so now I'm about to make myself something enjoyable. The seafood boil I got from Trader Joe's. I got that in the pot boiling. I got me some raspberry lemonade in a nice pretty glass, and I'm enjoying my time. I got some music playing in the background, and I am taking care of me. And I wanted to come on and just talk to my queens and let y'all know that, yeah, I get it. Life's. And life be lifing hard, right? Life be lifing hard. We worried about work. We worried about business, family, children, husband, significant others. Whatever we worry about every single day, you have to find that space and time for you. That space and time that you can spend some time with self and tap into self and put a smile on your own face. You know, sometimes we think we gotta spend all this money. We think we always gotta go somewhere. If you don't have the money or don't want to spend the money, baby, do yourself a favor and do something for you that you enjoy doing. Get a hobby. Go to the library. Rent out some books. Watch these apps and these cable TVs we spending all this money for. Pop some popcorn. Have a movie night with yourself. You don't need somebody else around you to show you what you need, because only you can make you happy, right? It boils down to it. Only you know what you like. And if you don't, that's a perfect time to go within and learn what makes you tick. Learn the things that make you happy and start giving that to yourself. So many times I hear women saying that, you know, they don't have a man, they don't have this, they don't have that. Baby, if you don't know how to make you happy, how do you expect your significant other to make you happy? If you don't like to spend time with your own company, what makes you think somebody want to be in your presence, right? And so we got to learn how to make ourselves happy, bring each other joy, bring ourselves joy, so we can make and bring joy to someone else, right? Thank y'all so much for the hearts. I truly appreciate it. I know this wasn't scheduled. I ain't say nothing about it. I don't even know if y'all, other people seeing this, but I just wanted to get this out today on this beautiful Saturday. Self-care Saturday, I like to call it, and share with someone that you are the main character, baby. You are your main character in this story called life, and you gotta find your happiness, queen. I get it. I get it. It's hard. You don't know where to start. You don't know how. You never was taught. I had the same storylines, right? I had the same storylines, and it wasn't until I had to pull myself out of a wreck, out of getting out of my own head, that I really found joy within self and love on myself and care for myself and give myself exactly what I needed. And mind you, I was married when I found this, right? This stuff didn't happen 20 years ago. This happened recently. This happened recently because I thought my main focus was my children, my husband, my household, running a business, whatever. All of my caring for was outside of me. And when it came back to me, I felt depleted. I told myself that, you know what, all that matters is my kids are taken care of. All that matters, you know, I'm here for my husband, supporting him. Until I realized that, you know what, I have to be happy too. We deserve to be happy too. I don't care if you're a single mom. I don't care if you have a household full of kids. You got a husband at home. You are a stay-at-home mom. And you think you're not deserving of happiness. Let me be the first to tell you today. I was in your shoes. Not thinking that I deserved it because I was the one to nurture. I was the one to help support. And I figured that was my job. That was my calling, right? That's part of my calling, but it's also to love me too. Thank you so much for the roses. I appreciate you. Thank you, Queen. Thank you so much. Big Sexy. Yes, I love that name. T-Girl. Thank you so much. Ooh. Love you. Thank you so much. So I had to realize, Corinthia, you got to take care of you. You got to love on you. You gotta care for you. You gotta be here for you. Because yeah, your kids put a smile on your face. Yes, your husband treats you good. Yeah, you got a roof over your head, but you need more. And I'm not saying I was ungrateful, but I realized that I wasn't happy. Yes, my kids doing well in school, everybody doing well. That brought happiness, but what about me? When would I choose me? Do things that I like to do. Spend time with self and learning what I like to do, because truthfully, I didn't know. I had to dig in the crates, baby. I did not know what made me happy for me. And spending time by myself for me and realizing what that meant to me. And so once I started doing my work, healing some areas, getting some negative mindsets out the way, I learned that, you know what? I enjoy my own company. Like I said, I'm in here cooking something to eat, drinking some raspberry lemonade, and listening to some music and talking to y'all. And I am content. I am content. I'm bringing happiness back to me. You know how they say you're getting your sexy back? I'm bringing happiness back. Because I was stuck one time. I was stuck before. Not feeling worthy, not feeling adequate enough, not feeling worthy of, the things that God has blessed me with. And sometimes, let me put a pin right there. As women of faith, we give and 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 we give. When do you pour back into you? Are you expecting someone to pour into you? Baby, let me tell you, you got to pour back into you. Because everybody's looking for something. Everybody's working on their own stuff. And they're not going to remember to pour back into you. So you got to learn how to pour into you, how to love on you, how to cherish you, how to respect you. And everything you want from somebody else, you got to learn how to give it to yourself. And it starts with having a self-love day, a self-care day. Having those moments where you can't have a whole day, right? But you have those moments that you can pour back into self and spend time with you. Read a book, paint a picture, listen to some music, sit on a porch with some coffee, okay? Do what you got to do to love on you and take care of you and care for you and make sure you're the main character in your book of life. In your book of life. We're supporting characters for everybody else. Come on. We're supporting characters for everybody else. Baby, remember, you have a book of your own to write. And so I just wanted to jump on today to say, hey, Queen, hey. And remind you that self-love isn't selfish, it's necessary. So make sure you do something for yourself. Before Monday get here, I want you to do something for you. Do something for you before this weekend is over. And let me know. Message me. Put it under one of my comments. Go to my YouTube channel. Put it there. So I'll probably post this video on YouTube. But do something for you. Do something for you. All right? Y'all be blessed. Know that I love you, but God loves you more. And I'm going to see you at the top because there's no more room at the bottom.
Wonderful, isn't it? How wonderful would